So everybody knows me as the guy that makes the build guides. Thank you. Everybody knows me as the guy that makes the build guides, and I come up here and I talk about the same thing every year, and it turns into the basically cheerleading you guys on. There's absolutely a new generation of DIYers starting to trickle in. I've watched this over the course of the last year, and even between the last year to that. And even then, there's people that are probably waiting on the sidelines and so forth. But the people that are coming into the hobby, it's extremely important. It's extremely paramount that they have a successful time and a successful building of something on that first event that they do. You know, we've got people like Naveen back there. You know, what was it? Your first or your second thing at the workshop yesterday? Yeah, fantastic. And we had some brand new people, and we had some people that were low experience, but having a chance to move forward and have a successful event and have a successful build of something, and that something doesn't matter. Now, we've been kind of going through this kind of existential crisis of, in order to do this, do we want to do kits that are so well documented, so well complete, have everything in there, and are trimmed to be easy, that we have the equivalent of a kit that's a box of Legos, right? That's on one end. That end of the, you know, a kit so good that it's like a box of Legos is one way of doing it. And we've had a couple of projects like that, and we may have some more like that, but there's many, many more projects that require a little bit of information, a little bit of knowledge, and a little bit of help to, for the new people to start, and for the people that have taken that first step to take the second step and move on. And the thing that struck me, it dawned on me yesterday. Right? I've been seeing it. I've understood it for a while. I've actually understood it for years, but it dawned on me yesterday. The thing that makes the kit from the box of Legos into the it works okay is you guys, right? It is absolutely the community on the forum. This is what I talk about every year when I talk for my 5 minutes, is if you see somebody who is new, if you see somebody who is starting, if you see somebody who's asking the question that seems really, really new, right? Reach out and contact them personally. And say, hi, I've done this before, I'm happy to answer your questions, and you only need to answer 1 or 2 questions and you can get them to go down the road. I remember very clearly when I built my first F5 way back when, I didn't know where to buy a transformer. And the guy said, oh, you get this from Antec with this secondaries, and that was just enough information to go ahead and have, you know, to get over the next step, and then, oh, the path is clear now. And that question's going to vary for each person. Right? That question will vary, but that type of support, reaching out and saying, hi, my name's Jim, I'm happy to help, but you guys doing it, because you're the choir, this is preaching to the choir, I say that every year, right? You guys are the people that can go ahead and make the community a little stronger just by a little bit of engagement. So please continue to do that. And if you haven't done that, please give it a whirl. There's all sorts of neat people. Yeah, for the new people who haven't built anything yet, Google is your friend. If you have a question, please just Google it first and see if you can get any information. Sometimes the right answer pops up. Look at images. Sometimes a schematic pops up. We see what happens. Try to find data sheets for the transistors that you're using, or data sheets for the tubes. There's a lot of information on there. Search the forum. Don't use the forum search. The forum search is awful because the forum software is ancient. What you do is put in whatever you're looking for, and then DIYaudio.com in the Google search box, or cite :DIYaudio.com, but you don't actually need that. It'll find it without it. And that's how you actually search the forum. Yeah, that's about the end of it. Now, the other thing is, in terms of helping the new people in general, if you want to have higher engagement on the forum of anything that you are doing, you are building, you are helping with, when we're trying to get more information on the forum so everyone can disseminate, is please take more photos, right? The amount of engagement that a thread has that is photo heavy is 10 times as heavy as a wall of text, right? And everybody has the ability to take photos. Everybody has the ability to go ahead and take a quick picture. You have the ability to edit, so at least you can make it big in the frame. You can zoom if you need to. You can adjust the light. We all have this magic device. Yours probably doesn't have a picture of my son on it. But yeah, take more photos because the engagement goes up a lot, and absolutely, positively, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And you guys can help the community can help you. Everything winds up going more and more, and we have people like Nelson Pass and Sean Casey having the ability to keep our group engaged, and everybody's happy because of that. And those two gentlemen need to walk up now and go ahead and have their panel, and I will shut up. I'm 6L6. Thank you very much.